In this video, we're going to start dealing with our home and overview view controller, which means that we have to think about embedding a collection view, and this is what we're going to do right now. So there are two ways that we could do that. Either we could add just a collection view to our view controller, or we could get rid of this view controller that was added for us by the single view application template and just press Command-Shift-L to access our library and search for a collection view controller, which I already see right here. So this is going to be our collection view controller, and since we're going to use a navigation controller in our overview, I'm also going to select my collection view controller right now and actually hit the editor menu and embed in navigation controller, which is going to give us a navigation controller and automatically embeds our collection view controller in the navigation controller. And what we're going to do now is first of all get rid of this viewcontroller.swift file, since we're no longer using the view controller. So let's just delete that and move it to trash, and select also the appdelegate.swift file and press Command N on the keyboard to actually create a new file for our collection view controller. And we're going to use a Cocoa Touch class for that. Hit the class name with overview, and we do not need to specify view controller or collection view controller. It suffices to just write overview, and we're specifying a subclass of UI collection view controller, and as you can see, auto-completion automatically gives us overview collection view controller, which is quite nice. So let's hit next and create that so that we have our Swift class right here. And now we can go back to our main storyboard, select our collection view controller, and in the identity inspector, what we should do is specify the custom class here on the right as overview collection view controller, so that we actually connect both the view controller here in our storyboard with the overview collection view controller class in our code.